Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install apps that are not available in your country. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. Now what we have to do, connect to Wi-Fi, launch App Store. Now we have to tap on the icon in top right corner and sign in Apple ID. After that, tap on Apple ID. On the next page, we have to tap on country or region. Now wait for a couple of seconds and tap change country or region. Here, I'm going to change the country for my App Store and selecting Australia. After selecting Australia, tap agree in top right corner, tap agree and agree. Now select none and fill all these blanks: street, postcode, city, state and phone number. You can get all these information from Google and tap next and done. After that, go back to the App Store and download your favorite app that are not available in your country. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.